Physical layer ensures a safe and efficient travel of data, consists of electronic circuits for data transmission, etc. So physical layer ensures a safe and efficient travel of data. Safe and efficient travel of data consists of electronic circuits for data transmission. So it consists of safe and efficient travel of data, and it consists of electronic circuits for data transmission. Electronic circuits for data transmission. Data link layer. So in charge of data encapsulation under the form of packets and their interpretation at the physical layer. So it is in charge of data encapsulation under the form of packets. So data link layer encapsulates the data in the form of packets, and so it is also in charge of their interpretation at the physical layer. So this encapsulated data, how it should be interpreted at the physical layer. So that is the work of the data link layer. Data link layer, role of the data link layer is it is in charge of data encapsulation under the form of packets and their interpretation at the physical layer. Network layer. Network layer in charge of packets transmission. Charge of packet transmission from a source A to a destination B. So network layer is in charge of packet transmission. Charge of packet transmission. So data link layer encapsulates the packets. Network layer is responsible for packet transmission from source A to source B, destination B. Transport layer in charge of the delivery of packets from a source A to a destination B. Transport layer is in charge of delivery of packets. Delivery of packets from a source A to a destination B. So it is in charge of delivery of packets. See, the transmission of packets is taken care by the network layer. Delivery of packets is taken care by the transport layer from source A to a destination B. Transport layer is in charge of the delivery of packets from a source A to a destination B. Delivery of packets from a source A to a destination B. Session layer in charge of the management of network access. Session layer is in charge of the management of network access. In charge of the management of network access. Management of network access. So it manages how the networks are accessed. The session layer in charge of the management of network access. And presentation layer determines the format of the data transmitted to the applications, data compressing or decompressing, encrypting, etc. So presentation layer determines the format of the data transmitted. So in what format the data is going to be transmitted from and between applications, and data compression or decompression techniques and encryption techniques. All these things are done in the presentation layer. And application layer contains the applications such as which are used by the end user, such as Java, Word, etc. So application layer contains the applications which are used by the end user, such as Java, Word, etc. The TCP or IP model consists of only 4 layers. The TCP/IP model consists of only 4 layers: application, transport, internet, and network. So it doesn't have the last 3 layers. With the OSI model contains 7 layers. But TCP/IP model has only 4 layers, so it doesn't have the last 3 layers. We remembered a mnemonic yesterday to remember the OSA layers. Please do not touch Steve's pet alligator. All people seem to need data processing. So, please do not touch Steve's pet alligator, or all students seem to need. All students or all people. All people seem to need data processing. So this TCP/IP model doesn't have 3 layers in it, like physical data link network. It doesn't have physical data link and network layers. It has only the other 4. That is application, present, it is application, transport, internet layer and network layer. Okay, here there is a different name for it. The internet layer, application layer, transport layer, internet layer and network layer. So OSA model has 7 layers, but this has only 4 layers. TCP/IP model has 4 layers. What are they? They are application layer. Application layer is for applications and processes running on the network. Transport layer provides end-to-end data delivery services. End-to-end data delivery services. Internet layer makes datagrams and handles data routing. So internet layer, that is a special layer in the TCP/IP model. Internet layer. We don't have internet layer in the OSI model, data model. So this makes datagrams and handles data routing. Network layer, in addition to internet layer, it also has a network layer, provides routines allowing access to the physical network. Provides routines allowing access to the physical network.